everyone, it's Deborah at Heat Transfer Source, and today we're going to talk about foil, pattern vinyl, and metallic. So let's start with the pattern vinyl. Pattern vinyl is a two-step process. You're going to put it into your cutter pretty side up, and you're not going to mirror the image because you're going to burnish the image onto some transfer tape before you apply it. Metallic is a one-step process. You're going to put it into your cutter, shiny side down, and mirror the image before you cut. Foil is a two-step process. You're going to need the adhesive sheet, and you're going to put the adhesive sheet into your cutter, shiny side down. It has a matte side and a shiny side. You're going to put it into your cutter, shiny side down, and mirror the image, because eventually you're going to put the foil on top of that adhesive image and heat press it on or iron it on. Okay, now we're going to press, and like with any substrate, at least fabric substrate you're going to use, you still want to find a center line and get rid of any moisture. So I have folded our tote in half and edges touching, and I'm just going to give it a quick press. Okay. There's a center line I can see, and we have an interior pocket on this tote, so I'm going to flip that out. Get my handles over here. That'll give me a flatter surface for the press. All right, now our first to go down is the printed vinyl. So again, find your center line by lining up the sides of the image on your tape, on your transfer tape. That'll pretty much give you the center. And then just press gently the transfer tape. You won't see it because the transfer tape comes off, of course. And I'm going to cold peel this. Next comes our metallic. And I'm just going to trim the top of this off, even though it wouldn't hurt the image. This pattern vinyl, I do it anyway. Okay, we're ready to press the metallic. So I already have some vinyl down, so I'm going to use a parchment paper on all the rest of the presses. This is going to be a cold peel. There we go. Here's the adhesive for the bottom of the heart. That's our foil. I'm just going to trim that a little bit. It's clear, so it's going to be a little, got to be pretty careful. You can still see it, but you want to be a little careful to position it. All right, now it's time to put the foil on. We're going to put it shiny side up. It's only going to stick to where the adhesive is. I don't know if you can see this adhesive down there. It's clear, but it's only going to stick there. That's how it comes up. And that's how it looks. For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.